Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna continue the part two of the bridal and weddings business, how to create a website on Squarespace for bridal and how to customize it for bridal and weddings business. So now you can, if you want to add section, you can click here. You can select any section you want from here you want to add. So now let's move on to the next section. So here you can change the text here, you can change the font, you can edit the text from here, you can edit the the form of the fonts and the text form as you like. So now let's move on to the gallery section. So here you can edit the gallery, click here, and you can add search for image, or you can upload it from your library. So like this. So for example, um, you can add one. You can add another one. So wait to upload this. So for example, I'm gonna add this. So that's it. This is your gallery right now. You can remove it and change it at any time you want. You can duplicate the section from here. You can save it, and you can move it up or move it down. Here you can edit the section, so you can make it full bleed like this, and also you can edit the spacing. You can make it like this or like this. You can turn this on. Captions. So that's it. If you want to add something on any section, for example image or video or a text, just click here add block and you can add the text. So for example here you can add image, click on it and put it here like this. So you can search for on free image or from your library. You can upload it from your library. So for example you can add this, you can make it like this. So you can move it forward from here. You can make it like this. So you can make it like this to attract more people. So that's it. In the footer you can edit the footer from here. So you can duplicate the section, you can edit the section from here. Also you can edit here the background if you wanna arch, or for example you can just uh, add it like arch background like this. So that's it, and you can remove it from here. So that's it. Now you can just save this. So now let's move on to the fonts. You can edit the fonts from here. So you can switch the fonts back. So you can choose as you like what kind of fonts you want to attract people. Here you can edit the size of the heading 1 and the heading 2 and the heading 3. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can change the color palette. So you can change here the color theme. You can customize here the color. Just customize it, and here you can edit the color of the section background and the background overlay. So that's it. Now you can go back to this page. So let's go to the commerce. So here you can set up your store. You can add products to your inventory. You can add services for bridal and weddings business. So you can here add the way to get paid. So you can choose one of these here. You can choose the subscription plan, and here you can pay annually or pay monthly. So that's it. And the last step is publish your website and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site for uh, bridal and weddings business on Squarespace, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.